So good day to everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating how my mobile mood tracking application works, and it is called Moodifiers. So for existing users they can log in, and for new users they can sign up first. So I will demonstrate how sign up works. First, user has to provide name, an email, and also a password. So let me demonstrate that. And then after user have provided needed details, they can simply click the sign up button. Okay, there will be a message telling user that their account has been created and we can log in from there. And I click the login button. After that, user will see the first page after they have completely logged in, which is the timeline page. And in this page, user can access their entry that they have created before, but since we are a new user, we can create a new entry. First, click the add button, and then there will be a simple page displaying several things that user has to complete in order to create a mood entry. Okay, first is to choose a date. And if user didn't choose a date first, the entry cannot be saved because a date is required. So the button will be disabled until user choose a date to associate with the entry. Okay, let's example we choose today's date, which is 16 March, and then choose how they were feeling. There are 5 feelings of emotions that ranges from that user can choose, which is excellent, happy, neutral, sad, and also angry. So let's, for example, we choose excellent, and then provide the description if user wanted, since it is optional. Okay, and then click the save button. So there will be a message saying that user reported to feel good today, and telling them good job to keep and to keep it going. Click the OK button and user can see their entries here. And if, for example, they choose to be neutral, there will be no message, just user can still see their entry here. And if user, for example, choose reported that they are feeling sad, click the save button. There will be a message displaying telling user that they're reported to feel in distress. So, and the app will suggest them to try out some breathing exercise or some tips that they can follow to loosen up and be calm. Okay, if user, for example, click the sure button, it will lead them to the breathing exercise page, which I will explain after this. Okay, so in this timeline page, user can also update their entries. And if, for example, we want to change the date that they reported to feel excellent, if there's a mistake, you can click that 15 March and then save. So the date will be changed like this. And if, for example, they wanted to delete a particular entry, they just simply click the delete button, and that's all. In the next page, user can see the report page, where it will display users' emotion that they have reported through their entry. And as we can see in the circle icons here, represented their emotions. If, for example, they reported to feel excellent or happy, it will be in yellow. If they reported to feel neutral, it will be in gray, while being sad is blue and being angry is red. So from here, user can see how their emotion ranges through their entries, if they are consistently reported their mood every day. Okay, so in the third page, which is the breathing exercise page, user can try out different kinds of breathing technique, but for now there's only 2, which is the 4-7-8 breathing technique and also the box breathing relaxation technique. If, for example, we click the 4-7-8 breathing technique to try them out,
this is a deep breathing exercise.
There will be a video in which user can follow along. and also some pieces of information about what 478 breathing technique is and what it helps with, and also the resources for the video and the article. And if, for example, user did try out the breathing exercise but they are still not in a calm state, they can click the learn more button here to learn a few things more about how they can manage their anger or their sadness. So there are a few tips here on what they can do when they're angry, and some self-care tips here when they are feeling bummed out or sad. Okay. So it goes the same for the second breathing technique.
There are times when we all experience,
which is the box breathing relaxation technique. A few things about box breathing and also what it helps with, and the resources here, and also the option to another menu, which is the tips just now, if they are not calm or content enough after they finish doing this breathing exercise technique. So it's just the same. Okay, in the last page of the application is the settings page, where their information about their profile are displayed here, like their name and also their email, and several items regarding the app, which is the about us page, and also the FAQ or frequently asked question page. Okay, so once users have finished doing everything with the app, they can simply log out and they will be bring back to the welcome page. So that's how Moodifier works for now. Thank you.